Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am at the finale of adding the final touches to my front porch makeover, and that is my wreath. So if you're interested in how all of this look, by all means, stick around. There is absolutely nothing better than a cool fall morning. The air is crisp, the leaves are glowing, and guys, I am ready to give my front porch a cozy autumn makeover. I'm going to sprinkle a little chinoiserie onto my front porch. And if you're interested in how this is going to look, then by all means, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax as I do all the work for you guys. But first, before I start decorating, I have to undo what was done for spring and summer. So here I'm just using a little of the foam Clorox to wipe down the rails. Over a period of time they do tend to get a little dirty. So I'm gonna do that, do a little sweeping, and then start to decorating. So guys, what I'm doing here is changing out my old flag. I'm adding a new one, and then I will continue with bringing in the rug and my mums. I will save my wreath for the latter part of the video, but I want to get everything else in place the way that I want it to be. So now will be a good time for you guys to go ahead and get your coffee if you haven't done so, or something to drink, gather up a snack, and hopefully this video will inspire you to go ahead and decorate your space if you haven't done so already. And look for those things that are on sale now, 50–60% off, if you need to go out and buy anything. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am at the finale of adding the final touches to my front porch makeover, and that is my wreath. So if you're interested in how all of this look, by all means, stick around. Chinoiserie, chinoiserie, chinoiserie. All right, guys, I'm going to bring you in for a complete and total look of my front porch makeover. Now, this is the wreath that I shared with you guys. If you're interested in how this was created, I will include it in the iCards above. But chinoiserie, chinoiserie, chinoiserie. Can you say that over and over again? Yes, that's what I'm going for here. A very elegant look here on my front porch. So, I started over here with these little metal type frames of a pumpkin. You could put them both together and create one whole pumpkin, or you can just place these individually. And I think I got these from maybe the Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby. I don't remember. I've had them a couple years, didn't know what to do with them. And finally this year I had an aha moment and I decided to place them here. So I've gotten one on each side of my wreath here, the front porch. Then we're going to come on down. I'm going to back you up. This is a planter that I bought from a local shop a couple of years ago, and I just decided to add one of my mom's there. This is my floor mat that I picked this up from a local shop here in town. It had that print, and I decided I wanted to go with that. Added one of my pillows here in the chair. Now the chair, I have it adorned with. This is a table runner. I purchased two of them by mistake, so I decided to use one here to just kind of lighten up the area just a little bit. This pillow covering is one that I purchased from Amazon. You know how you get a package of, I think, 2 in a pack. So one says give thanks and this one says bless, so I decided to put this one out here. These are my mom's. Hubby and I got these from Dwayne's in Smithfield. I shared a video with you guys where I had shared the unique pumpkin patch, and these were absolutely beautiful. So I added this pop of color here. Have my little lantern down next to there, corral next to that, and I'm gonna back all the way back up out so that you can get that view here. So cozy, so elegant, so beautiful. And then I went in with this flag print here. I got this flag print from the same place that I got my rug that I placed there. These mums came from Lowe's. Love the color, love the color, love the color. This print also came with the rug and the flag. And then I just placed one of my lanterns back in the corner there. The Happy Fall Y'all signage came from Amazon. Placed the mum in that planter there. Added 2 yellow mums here on the side. These came from Lowe's, and I think the white mum came from Lowe's as well. Now guys, don't throw away your outdoor rugs. Take a can of spray paint, paint the rug, and I think this turned out great. It's just used outdoors. It's going to be rained on. It's going to be walked on. And it just gave me that pop of color that I needed here just to go along with everything else in this space. So no need to go buy another outside rug. I just took a... So here we have a little sun catcher that also goes with that set that I purchased from the local shop in town. And then I'm going to bring you over my little patch here. This is another one of those Happy Fall Y'all signs from Amazon. Created my little gourds and pumpkins here that I purchased from Dwayne's. The orange pumpkins I purchased from Walmart. And then this is another returning mom here. There's one in the back, a returning mom. So forth and so on. I love the returning moms. They are absolutely beautiful. This is a new mom purchased from Dwayne's. And this is a returning mom. And then I will share with you guys what it looks like in the dark. So stick around. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed me sharing my Chinoiserie chic, cozy styled front porch makeover for 2025. Fall of 2025, we are definitely vibing with the chinoiserie prints and the beautiful pops of color. Hope that you will feel welcome as you enter into my home. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more fall videos coming soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I do love reading your comments. And if you're new to the channel, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. Feel free to become a part of by just hitting that subscribe button, making sure you tap the notification bell twice. It's 2 times. You'll see a button that says, press the one that says all. And that way you don't miss out on any videos that are created on this channel, as I do everything about sharing my home and even creating wreaths. So stick around. Thanks a bunch. Goodbye for now. See you next. And stick around for the night view.